725, go ahead.
We had 6100 College Way on a Cadillac ST.
Good morning, it's Chaz, and as always we got Flash at the wheel. We're meeting up with Rabs this morning. It's early January, summer rain. It's the wettest summer we've had in ages, and we're looking forward to an overnighter and 2 days of digging and some awesome finds as usual. So hopefully once we meet up with Rabs, you'll see our first find now. Alright, we're back. Flash has called us over. Starting to get on some small stuff, buttons and harmonica reeds. And
I've got a 25 on the Equinox inside this clump in around here somewhere, I think. They might like it'll be in this clump here. Oh, coin. Coin.
wow, it looks silver.
It's looking like a shilling.
It's very smooth.
It's shilling. Oh, it's very smooth. Look at that.
It's got to be older though, yeah?
Yeah.
That's got to be a King George.
It is indeed.
Second. Is it second?
That'll be a third.
Wow.
Yes, that'll be easily identifiable.
You can just see the bust in the picture. Awesome. Good one. Well, things you do. It's raining. But it's better than being too hot, I guess. My luck's starting to change. Just popped this out. Nice little 14 signal. Yeah, it's a buckle. And I dropped it. It's still got the fabric on it, I think. Yeah, it's still got a bit of fabric on it, a bit of fancy there. A bit of an identification up the top there. Oh, very nice. Should be able to do a bit of research. Better go and get the rain jacket. Bye.
Very happy with this find. So I was at the base of this tree. Nice tone in the roots there. Look, it popped out. Very happy with that. It rang up very nice. Right, Chaz has called us over.
Oh boy, it's been a long morning for me.
Great little tone in here.
We've all had a listen to this one, and I'm pretty excited about it. So we chance a live dig on it. I think I've taken enough out. Oh,
Still in there.
depth. Might have some there. I hope I haven't hit it.
It's a nice little 31, 32 on the Vanquish.
Oh, there it is. I hope I didn't hit it.
What have we got? Ooh, yeah.
It's
Coinage
a
all
monster.
day.
Coinage. We'll give it a bit of a rub. See what we've got.
Could be a token.
Yeah, it's going to be a tough one. Okay, hang on. Here's something coming through. There's the bust. Let's just see if it's a Georgie or a Vicky.
Some water if you want it.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Vicky, I think. No, it's a George. George the Third. Yeah.
Oh, yep.
There's his nose. So KG3.
So next is Rabs. Nice find.
All right, the sun's out and things are looking up. I pulled my KG3 out minutes ago, and then Flash has got
So around here.
very nice tone.
So it's 28 to 31 on the Equinox. So it is small. Oh, small or
No.
large.
It's a very big doorknob.
What is it? Doorknob.
Nice
Doorknob.
one.
Basically pushing our way through the scrub here. I've got a 19 down in there on the Equinox, and I have scored myself a cricket buckle. It's a cracker of a find, actually. Very, very happy.
Hey, g'day, it's Jazz back. Yeah, it's after lunch now, and yeah, that was the hole, but great signal. Another fancy looking buckle. Pretty happy with that. Excellent. On to the next one.
Nice 23, and this has popped out. Looking, really coin. There's Britannia, and our date. If you give me just a sec. 1867. Great stuff. Looks like an egg.
Okay, we're back with Flash. He's had a 24, big signal. He's calling possible coin now. Well, it's big.
Oh, not a coin, but
Buckle?
a buckle.
Yeah, right. Nice one.
Brass buckle.
Good signal.
Iron pin's gone, but
Yeah, okay, nice.
got a 20 on the Equinox, and I got this cracker. It was a belt buckle. Gold gilt. I'm guessing it went like that, but I think that's going to clean up really nice. They just keep getting better. Well, I found someone else's hole, and I still got a 19 off it, and then I cracked out another belt buckle. Well, had some floral pictures off to the side. Obviously what was on the centerpiece there is fallen off, but it's 3 belt buckles today. It's going to be hard to top. This is something that we find quite often. It'll either be this part here or this part here off a lantern, but I've actually got an intact wick winder. Nice little hot spot, this one. Getting near the end of day one, had a little 12 on the Equinox, and I got this. It's a fancy hook by the looks of it. Yeah, very detailed. Latest find. We've got a little bit of sunlight going, but we've got a toe cap. This is the Rab's tailgate wrap up. He's got to shoot through. So do you want to talk us through your finds, Rab?
More musket balls again. Penny from 18, what did we say, that was 67 or something? Am I too quick for you?
Yeah, 67.
Sort my buttons. That thing there, I don't know what it is, but it had a pin on it. Fork, Paris buckles, fuel plates, another key tap, some buckles, pretty much it.
Nice. Day one, tailgate wrap up. A couple of doorknobs and lantern parts and a bunch of buttons in there. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe used to hold a mirror or something. Got the harmonica reed. So that's a belt buckle. That's a belt buckle. That's a belt buckle. Some type of fancy hook. I think that might have been ornamental from like a fireplace screen. That's got a fair bit of bling on it as well. I think that held a sash. A couple of buckles. Paris buckle. 1867 penny. A George III, still to be dated, silver. Now we've got Chaz's finds.
Yeah, sorry, it's a bit of a mess. Some Parisy type buckles. One's a brevet. Some lantern parts. spoon, buttons, more lantern parts, a few musket balls, some unknowns, some thingy bobs, but yeah, another bit of bling. And my find of the day, which we filmed, was this King George. We got the bust, we got Britannia on that side, but the date unknown.
So it'll be another third, George the Third.
Yeah.
But, date TBA, I guess.
Yeah, we'll clean it up, but I'm pretty happy with that.
Cracking first day. Good morning, everyone. Back for our second day today. Taz and I started about 10 minutes ago, and it's actually my second target for the day. The first target was just a projectile, but this one was almost a surface find, and it's another toe cap. There's plenty of crushed brick and stuff around here, so we're hoping we're going to find a lot more.
Well, it's just day 2. It's Chaz. Haven't been filming much. Haven't had much to film. A lot of buttons this morning. Flash has taken the prize, I think, with that cricket buckle. Finally, I've got a few toe caps and just funny stuff. But finally, hopefully, I got something worth filming. Looks to be part of a buckle. A nice signal. It's got some symbology and stuff in there. Hopefully it's more than a lid off something. But yeah, it looks like a bit of an old buckle. Pretty happy with that. About time. G'day, it's Chaz, looking for Flash. Can't find him. Had a screaming tone. I thought this was my one for the day. Can't complain that. It's almost sunbaking. Right under the screaming 25, 24. Looks like a saddle boss. Nothing on it. But pretty good find.
Got Chaz digging up there. Had a bit of a scratchy tone here actually. It was only about 6 inches down, but beautiful cricket buckle. So it wasn't me that banged it up, but I'm sure that's going to clean up really nice. I'm stoked. The amount of belt buckles we've found this trip, amazing.
Alright, Flash has called me over with what I'm going to make the call. I'm going to say it's a coin signal every day.
I'm going to take the nice tight little 34, but very, very rocky ground.
It's a coin. You don't get. We haven't been spoilt for the signals.
I'll just check it's on the hole or not.
But it's really
It's
hard.
in the clump.
It's really hard to define between the iron. So it's.
Yeah.
Although we got
so
lots
much
of
chatter.
nice signals, it's. Oh, look at the thickness on that.
Coin.
Every day. And that's a beautiful coin. Whoops, how about I get it on screen? That looks like a kg.
Yeah, she's pretty thick.
It's thick. What are we looking at? Wow, the details.
Bus,
good.
it's a Vicky. She's
a
facing
Vicky,
that way.
Yeah, Vicky bun. What a stonking coin though, that is massive. Nice one.
Got a really nice high tone. Wasn't too deep. And got another keg tap. Day 2 wrap up.
Yeah, alright, I'll start. bits and pieces, as you can see. Monica Reed, axe head, spoons, toe caps. Filmed this one, which is some interesting part of a buckle. Yeah, a bit of lead and buttons. And this one looks like a bit of rubbish, but it's actually an opium tin. You can see the Chinese writing there. So that was pretty exciting. Haven't had an opium tin in ages.
And yeah, not too much from me today. Got the keg tap, a couple of musket balls, yeah, some toe caps, harmonica reed, another doorknob. It's an 1854 hold penny. Found a modern 2-cent coin. And my find of the day is the Kruger buckle.
Let's go. That is awesome.
Great trip. Catch you next time.
See ya.
Go ahead. We had 6100 College Way, a Cadillac ST.